Soro Mia Nagakapta.
Nage wallahi fayya kamar.
Gari wallahi Mia Gafiga Fajunde na Sabontu Jari Jarra Bagadata.
Hey, yes, gafata.
Mia, can you allow me to ask you a question?
Depends on Gafi. It depends. No personal.
What are you saying?
Why personal ya or sontane? Why general you na gafete ya?
Personally, can get a Kasiga for them.
So the chunky as umarate you one personal in tane, you can ask me.
No,
and if you make it appropriate, what appropriate you ta?
Go ahead to action. No, Yasin, go ahead.
If anybody attack you, trust me, I'll be on the first person who's going to defend you. You know that, don't you?
Go ahead, bro. Go ahead.
So my question to you is, you was in Manarumi or Ikesturte last night. All I ask is, this person is a fruitcake or not? So do I have a right to ask that? And why do they mute me?
Okay, sanille mirga gabda gafachu and bakasanin ture kamenti tetille arketin ture behaten ignore to go there because at the end of the day, public wise, amma biyetana khaysetin amanda batte amma dabate Joe Biden Arab suni dendesa endende. Community khayset. No maki damiti.
No,
so
Shamarani took one, you know.
Okay, just chunky ya. Kamenti khetille arketin ture. Amma Joe Biden dabate arasu dendesa any dendesa as long as you're threatening going harkayo tindufne jachura. But one thing you need to realize is in our community there's certain things that you cannot say, there's that you can say. Sigale, you have to watch out how they feel emotionally sanila look of the yasinkia. And a man namni gabab do nanjat. Okay, haye umara beat. Can I sanjiru nindandahan? Indando. Okay? Mia punyaning kabdo nanjat. Okay, umara beat. Maling goru danda. Nothing way ng goru dando. I'm beautiful. Ani akrenim bareda. Sigale takadala ram bareda njane. Tanara baredu head dujert. But at the end of the day, you have to, it depends on the question that you ask.
La mia, wanta kasita but I do the case Somali alamiti. I think some Umar PC, there's nothing you can do about it. Umafi, architect Guyake Serufu at Dabasu Nurujira. But when you tell about it.
Okay, let me add on to that one, okay? I'm doing namnisani manahiyator, okay? The sheikh, he asked the sheikh, he said people has judged me, people have said this to me. Sani nanja tuni umateti. Wani ati goru dende su hinjiru. So rabbin akasi umeti jirta. Just do not curse. Curse mangodi made, live the life that you can possibly live janin. Shekota afuri manakhi khesete. We had that kind of discussion. So for you, in order to go back and say that me and when ignore to go to videos and everything, is because I already have this kind of conversation with the sheikh and with him being there.
So, but he's not one of them yet.
No, don't ask. You have to know our community, how they take it. Community can you wanna kasi hinga fatani.
What's the question?
What's the question? Me, I tell you, I love you as a sister, but I don't accept that. That's opinion. Minnesota, after Las Vegas, I know after San Francisco, it's Minnesota. You know that.
Yeah.
But to give the information to our people who matakana argun, or they take it in. It's okay to do that. But if it's I have a lot of respect for Uma. I'm okay with that. But if it's like that and he's hiding, he need to come up. I'm a Somali. There is a lot of them. But they talk.
What are you asking for that? You don't need to ask it because you are the woman. She can do anything she needs. That's it. Yeah, the personal. You don't need to ask on the social media personality.
This is not a personal. This is a general money. How's that going to be a personal?
It's not general. You ask her about the personal. What she did. Yeah, one single to people. I'm one that who. Baba.
One to party to Pachan Jurubek. Atama Fakena fi. Buke Jalata.
Buke Malini.
Again. You can fruit.
Again. Now.
This is what we're talking about.
So what are you talking about? I don't understand.
Yeah.
Anyways, let's change the please. Let's change the please topic. If I hijack the room, let's change the topic and let's talk about something else.
No, that's what we're about that. I just want to make sure.
Yeah, but at least when it is in the truth, just I don't prefer you to ask. I can't.
Yes, I do. I went jail for that. I went jail for that in Minnesota. I beat the shit out of them. I don't like it in Jala. Well, to me, I went jail, and I don't like money.
Listen, Yasin, just sometimes awani naman agano jiruan takasimu namni toko uma kaba miti sigara amma fakenya Ilyas jani jira mucha manfas jiru he act like a girl but like it's natural mucha kuni uma rabbi sakas tume we can judge him judge good undan denyu.
Bro, man, how you gonna say it's Uma, man? Uma architect, Uma Dalata, in Kutata, Bagan Ketara. There's no way you're gonna act like a woman when you're a real man, bro. What are you talking about?
Bro, me, and I'm not want to see you. One, I can't have been to me, Sabeha. It is
I don't have no problem with what you done. I don't have no problem. But you need to come out from the architect Manaka Saga. If I listen to Pachurija, I'm this, I'm a Fakena worry, Gay Kumajan, Gabani, I'm gay, that is not a problem. But when you hide in the
listen, like if I do sitting godini, rabbi sitting godini, if you boy ilmo dante, he act like a girl, mucha ya miti jate for rabasu dantesa. Ilmo dante, akafete godi if he try to alal jaitofi akti godun takamiti balla rabbi beha namas mumchiponi uma rabbi nakati ume
Shata, you have to that means you fucking up. That's what it is.
What is your issue? What is your problem? Can somebody lift the light?
Listen. Lali, we need to understand. And I don't have no problem with it.
It sounds like you have a problem. It sounds like you have a issue.
Yeah, the issue I have, he proud of me, feel like that. I have a problem.
Now, naturally, you're gonna tell her, you girl, if she act like a boy, you have to tell her you have the girl. You have to try to change her to the woman.
Yo, bro,
but like a woman,
acting like a woman,
so then, Rabbi Amalu Tinger to your Chubaracas, Rabbi Nakavadi,
there is nothing to do with Rabbi.
Akajolleti ko nama yadu jira nama kana jiru dan disa that's natural rabbi umain disability sammuun isaa akka ijoolleetti warra yaadu jira nama dhiira ta'ee dhaggeeffadhu gaa he act like a woman akka dhalatu uffachuu barbaada diddibachuu barbaada akka dhala deemu
don't tell me that when he's a real man you cannot be akka dhala godhatee when he's that is a fruitcake he need to come up and say I'm a fruitcake and this is what I like I love to win and I respect the man لكن يجب أن support Gorilla.
No, just go let me tell you something. Let me explain. When he's explaining, let me explain something.
No, I'm not going to fruitcake. If the fruitcake is if you have fruitcake, you need to come out under the closet and tell Oromo people I'm a fruitcake. Then I'll respect you.
Yasin butaka we Yasin iske.
Mene dhaggeeffadhu wani sinjechuu jiru dhaggeeffadhu amma nama tokko jira dhiira guutuu dhaggeeffadhu wanni biyya faranjii harkaa jiru dhiira guutuudha hogguu dhaabbina guutaa hogguu argattu dhiira bareedaadha wanni qaama qaba bunaa is a gay laakiin hogguu deemu akka dhiiraa deemu. Listen, let me tell you the truth. Tokko immoo akka dhala aktii godhaa garuu laakiin is not a gay.
Apa vero tokara apa vero.
And Minnesota case is they're trying to talk to me. I told them, nigga, listen, back off. I'm not a gay in any division. And two of them was trying to jump on me. Then gay 90. Me and Bekti. Ummata kena namni balesaju, ummata kana. Odolete tiko namni balesaju, ummata kana. Makai tugotani, it's okay. There is nothing is wrong with it. Akatubarti no, don't do that, bro. One is guru sirajuru. You're the
Wali atijatu sarida dugada, sarida. Sanijra injirun jannebar. Lugada, balaki the people who judge good under the judge Manever. Wara Kanakana, Dorku, Janemu,
Somali or the Malake Topreski, Somali or the Wallahi, Somaleke, so good, the Gabate, the Namli Gutan, Areda, Dira Adi Fuda Lukanikaf. So YouTube can say Bilal.
I know everything, I know.
The last Gabate is Bilal.
Saiba hiyetu tu lanje mita guya taka Kenya keessa turre gaaf Kenya turre mucaa tokko jira ka dhala godhata hudulula mal godhata bite sani abo kiya kana mal abbasa dhala godhati abi abna me bujallu mal lanje ni beta ya pulis khiya lanje lal mal lanje abo umar rabbin tiumi ya pulis khiya rabbi khana fade dem chakana yudan disidu ay godif lanje. Please, do I go if Rabbi Raji Jiruje, do I Rabbi do I Fulatan, Tibeta, Amanami? Do I go if Nanje? Just accept once. Gorsa Saiba, he has a front day. Somebody judge go do I want go off? I want to be Arabic Jirin Jabi. This is
Nira.
Yep. I'm screaming. Umar Rabbi Lali, Gurba Bareda, Mashallah. Hadagara Sagai, Jasagari Bate. Jette deettee jedha bareedaan kun ka argitee jannata fakkaatu gara haadha keessaa ba'u kunis uumaan jedhin deemsa keessatti akkana ta'e jedhe.
Yasin iske gaafin isin gaafadha isin ammoo jechuudha wanni nuti amma dura haasaa jiru waan uumaa rabbiirra nama tuqinaadha. Namni as keessa waan isin haasaa jirtan kana yookaan ofii mataa ofiitiin barbaade jechuun uumaa rabbii jijjiire tokko jiru maaliif asirratti amma wal hojjetan amma fakkeenyaaf Oromoon teena namni tokko fakkeenyaan uumaa rabbii ka jijjiiradhu ta'e okey maaliif jijjiirtan jedha na gorsuuf na onnoo jedha ammoo sadarkaa akkasitti wal mormitan kana ga'e maaltu jira.
Ajandaa dhaban.
Yaasin mee maali wanti ati sadarkaa